go all ahead. Keep going, keep working your body. Ah, take a break. Great run, great run.
Good one.
Everybody okay?
Oh yeah. That was fun.
Let's go easy forward. We'll catch that big old eddy.
Oops, sorry.
Take a break. And let's go forward 3 strokes. And rest. So we can watch the show here a little bit. All kind of different routes over lower railroads. And now we're going to work up this eddy. We're going to go right back into that waterfall. See if we can get our boat stuck on purpose. We think it's the most fun of anything we have ever done in the world. Surfing.
There we go.
Surfing West Virginia style.
We're from Virginia Beach.
Nice, yeah. Now we would not be surfing here if this were dangerous. People do swim here every day. They say it's fun and deep and nothing going on. So if you do slip out of the boat, try to hold your paddle and come back over here to this eddy. We'll pick you up and then we'll go surf some more. Now surfing is a little bit like playing billiards, pool, or maybe golf. A lot of it is angle. If we can keep our boat angled towards our video boater, it'll hold the surf, and then at some point it's gonna bully us and spin us out.
Wow.
And then we just come back around, catch the eddy, and give it another go. So it's gonna be Melissa's side in the surf.
I hate surfing.
Oh well, I'm here for you. We don't have to do it. Are you serious?
I go in the drink every time. Every single time.
Switch time?
Switch
Switch sides with
places?
them.
I don't know if I can paddle on that side.
Well, that's all right. We won't have to surf. You can get out here on these rocks if you want.
I get out on the rocks.
Sure, if you'd like.
Go ahead. It gives me mad anxiety. I don't.
Let us get you close.
Winnie.
Let's go all back if you've got a paddle handy. Take a break.
You want me to take the paddle or no?
Yes,
Okay, hand me the paddle.
if you can. And we'll get you out there first. Now this is rock and slick, so take your time.
You got them?
Alrighty.
And then just use
sorry,
this
Joe.
rock right
Oh, yeah, I'm
here
good.
step. Take your time.
I'm not. Okay.
Are you comfortable there?
Much better now.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job. You're
Joe,
good.
you want to go up front, or we got the girl going up?
Oh, he wants the big hole.
Now when we get up to the waterfall, I'm going to say brace. What I really mean is you just pull your paddle up out of the water and you feel free to hold on to something. You'll just pull that blade up out of the water when we're next to the waterfall, when I say brace. All right, let's go forward. Take a break.
That's cool. Now I wish I was up there. That's pretty.
Ready, team? Let me get our angle a little bit. And let's go forward. Stop. Stop. Break. We love the river!
Woohoo! Yeah!
That wasn't too bad, was it?
That was awesome! That was awesome!
Isn't that amazing?
It is. That's cool.
Can we do it again?
Sure.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Right. Are you still happy there? Okay.
Ah.
Let's go forward just 2 little strokes. And rest.
That's kind of cool to drag them under there, sure. I know, they got stuck over there, that's cool.
So now we're going to try to teach you to be video hogs.
Okay.
We are right there. That video camera is right in your face. Try to stay in the boat, but also